Let's see how to use the offset function and its application. We have different departments. Assuming we want to add the totals for each year, for example, the year 2022, and we want to make it dynamic and choose which department. When we come and we input the offset function, the offset function asks us to give a reference of what we want to offset. And assuming we have a D4 to D7, we are not moving by any rows, so we put a comma without anything. And then we say columns. Assuming we want to say column, we put number 2, and then we close. It brings the information from department C. Now, I'm lucky to have Office 365. Suppose it wasn't, then it would not bring the array. If I say, let me sum, which any of the versions can do. When I sum, I get 425 million, which is exactly the sum of department C data. So offset gives us relative movements. 2 movements from A is 1 and then 2. That is the power of the offset function.